Despite increased concerns about rising gun deaths among children, new research found that the number of teenagers who have handguns have gone up. The study published in the journal Pediatrics shows that young people carrying in Florida increased by 65% from 2002 to 2022. Females, middle school age teens, and white students were among the groups that most substantially contributed to the increase. Though general handgun carrying went up, carrying in school decreased by 60%. Firearms are the leading cause of death among children and teenagers in the United States. Listen to that, leading cause of death, with a steep increase in ages 15 to 19 starting in 2020.